This is Holystone HS720G, and today I'll show how you can open and manage gallery on this drone. So in the beginning, enter the camera view or the camera feed of the Ophelia Fly app. Then inside the camera interface, look for this specific icon, then tap on it, and here is your gallery. Now inside the gallery, you can switch between photos and videos, as well as all media and media stored only on an SD card. If you would like to clear your gallery or erase all photos and videos you have created, just tap at this button here, then press the select all button, and well, then send everything to trash. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.